don't love me like you used to.
Oh my god.
With who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey, like a light, like a light.
I just got to the Turin and it's so fabulous out here.
Meanwhile.
Paragraph 2.
So we are in the northern region of Langhe. We're gonna have a lunch over here. This is the region where it's famous for the vineyards and like wine tasting places, and we just drove through the town Barolo, the famous vineyard town Barolo, and now we're in is the town, how is this town called? Alba?
Castiglione Falletto.
Okay, Castiglione Cassetto.
Falletta.
You're not trying too hard.
Yeah, we just had an amazing lunch.
We're so full.
Very, very full.
I feel like we have had enough food for the
Every
for the
day.
next 2 weeks.
Gelato every day. We're gonna try to work out now today in evening or afternoon. We're gonna play maybe a basketball or maybe a beach volleyball. Probably beach volleyball not, because it's too far away from our location, and the food was literally like next level. Like they had like a hazelnut sort of breadcrumbs on top of like a veal steak. So yeah, we're gonna leave this town now and then we go back to Turin, and yeah, see you later maybe, guys. Actually, I came up with the idea. Do you know if we have batteries for this one? For this?
No, I don't think so. I don't know.
It would be cool to bring this one to the basketball court, no?
Yeah, but what do you put inside? Cassettes?
No, just put like a cool ass radio, I think, no? Because this is like, looks like one of those, no? You go to play basketball with your homies and then you just put it on your on your shoulder, like, and it's like some old hip hop beats.
yo.
Like, yo.
Wanna play?
Yeah, right? So, is this a keeper or not?
Keeper.
Yeah. Do you prefer when it's like this on my forehead,
Or when it's
or when it's like that?
like that on your forehead because it keeps the volume on your hair.
But then you cannot see my forehead.
It's not that important.
I think it is.
Ma senza pianti non li rimpiangi. Resti solo te con i tuoi bagagli. Sogni infranti, volo alto da visi bianchi. Lascio la stanzetta, faccio dei bagagli. Proprio non posso stare qui. Proprio non posso stare qui.
Pull up.
Baby, non posso stare qui. Baby, non posso stare qui. Baby,
Got some niggas in the street won't beat me. I got the industry tryna beat me. I just go Ray Charles, they can't see me. I'm in the road.
Se vuoi dimenticherò, metto la maschera giusta, quella per scendere giù strada, quella che ieri l'ho buttata. So che non sei...
Arriva, adesso ho finito il tiro.
Bitch!
Vai, foto con la
Come si
bambina.
chiama la mamma di Fabi J?
Questo è difficile da ricordare, tanto che non la vedo. È lui il fratello. Adesso saluta. Saluta.
Hello.
Hello! How's it going?
What's your name? Come ti chiami?
Virginia.
Virginia, nice to meet you.
My name is Margaret.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What am I?
Hey! Hey! New fans, you know what I mean? You know, work hard, work hard.
Cellulare sempre spento perché fuori non. Ehi, corro ma sul corridoio non uscite di lato. Commentate per uscite di rado. Non è chiaro ciò che dicono su di me, ma informati il mio malessere a forma di forze nere, forse me ne vado. Queste sere m'hanno avvelenato. Ehi, notti intere di degrado. Dormo per terra bagnato. Ho fatto schifo cazzo, però mi ringrazio.
Going to grab a typical Italian, sustainable, very kind of healthy burgers with my girlfriend's brother. And then we'll see, maybe we're gonna get some other cool shots on the way, you never know. So apparently we're not allowed to be filmed inside, so because of the privacy policy, I guess. You know, they probably would not allow film because of the other customers around me, but I'm not trying to film anyone else, just only myself, you know, as I'm very selfish and narcissistic person. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice one, thank you.
This one is yours.
Okay.
I really love the chips that they make here. It's more like the...
Yeah, like crisps, right? Like
yeah, they're really...
Whoa, that
Yeah.
was sick. When you go to public transportation, you need to wear a mask. That's like a normal thing. Then if you go to any restaurants, so you can see at a restaurant, but you need to, if you want to order food, you need to order at the counter with a mask. But then when you go out to sit down and eat, then you can just like take off the mask. Just getting some ice cream. Is that mine? Oh yes. The next day. Exciting day. Gonna try for the first time in my life to play golf, and also we're gonna try an amazing lasagna. Going to the grandma's house for a delicious Sicilian traditional lasagna.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Permesso. Alberto, non so se si ricorda di me.
Ciao, ciao, piacere, ne ho sempre sentito parlare, non ti avevo visto. Ciao. Buona giornata e buona giocata allora.
Anche a voi, ciao, grazie ancora.
Hands down, one of my best lasagnas of life. Seriously, so delicious, like so homemade. We even tried like homemade Sicilian traditional limoncello as well. Amazing, right? You like it?
Perfect. Perfect lasagna.
Yeah. My friend Albi, he's gonna take me to the golf court in a minute. Oh yeah. Who are you though?
I am.
Who are you? Yeah.
I'm your wife to be.
Century, and
And nowadays there is still the park, because the park is huge. It's like 12 kilometers times 12 kilometers squared. But part of the park is a golf course, and there are two of them. So this is one, the other one is on the other side, and that's it basically. We're gonna see it.
Okay. Are we gonna start with like smaller ones or like longer distance kind of shots?
Yeah, no. At the beginning, we will just go to the driving range and hit some shots just to warm up,
practice, and
then we're going to the golf course, and
awesome.
you will see.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, we're kind of ready, I guess. Albie is gonna try to attempt to hit the ball across the little lake over there, like, and because as you can see, the lake, maybe you can see, but you cannot see, but the flag and the hole is literally the other side of the lake. How many meters is that?
270, 280.
Kind of skipped from the hole number 10 just straight to hole number 17 and 18, and now we're just finishing up the last hole number 18, which is apparently the hardest one, and then probably we're gonna go back to the Turin. It's been nice actually out in nature, filming. It's pretty cool. I didn't really try to play. I'm really bad at it actually. I don't embarrass Albie, otherwise, you know. I need to still practice probably on like some smaller shots, and then maybe I can move on onto the grass, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's been fun. Thanks for showing me the golf course.
No problem, it was a pleasure.
It was fun. We were lucky for the rain, for the weather.
It was perfect weather, golf weather.
Yeah, very good. And then see you tomorrow, I guess.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, have fun.
Bye man, you too.
See you later, man.
To Julia.
Yeah, I will, yeah. See ya.
Bye.
Wow, this is really heavy actually.
Day 4.
Okay, so I'm taking over. Today I took Arvis in the best places in the city, so we can visit some touristy spots and see what it's like. It's such a nice bright day, very, very hot actually, and we'll see if we can get some nice drone shots. He's gonna manage. Let's see.
It's goddamn hot here, right? It's so hot.
Very hot.
Just gonna try the fountain thing. Oh shit! Let's go. Okay, now this was a king's castle, and then that one over here on the right is a queen's castle. So it's specifically built for the queen, so she can have her own space, while the king is having a little fun time in his own
Mistresses and
house, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. We are at the Cinema Museum in Turin. How many floors this place has? Like,
I think 3. maybe. You know, actually, there's a metropolitan legend that if you climb to the very top of this building before you graduate, you're not going to graduate. You're only supposed to go there after you got your degree.
Really?
Yeah.
The first cinema, 1894. Edison invented a kinetoscope at 1891, and then it started to spread out from New York, and then went to Europe, Berlin. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Guess we're leaving now. It was awesome, so cool. Okay, I guess this is the end of the Turin. Now we're heading to Verona, a little bit of east of the country, north Italy. It's gonna be a 3-hour drive. I'm gonna stay there 2 nights, and then it's gonna be fun. So let the journey and adventure continues. Trying to find a good pair of Ray-Bans. My old ones are really bad. I really just want to buy a new ones. And there's a Ray-Ban shop over here, so why not? Let's try. We have some more frames upstairs. It's really hard to choose the right one, but I think this might be the one. I think this is the one. But like, I couldn't find anything better than this.
Obviously my boyfriend never listens to me, so he got the glasses even though I told him no thank you. So yeah, I broke up with him now. This is the last time you'll see me on your channel, and I'm very sorry for your loss.
Sunglasses check. Now lunch check. After lunch, what?
Annoyed girlfriend check.
Tomorrow.
So just arrived to a little town called Sirmione, which is quite close to Verona, a little bit outside of Verona. Took us like maybe 40 minutes to find a parking. Obviously it's a Sunday morning, everyone wants to come in here, the weather is perfect. But we got lucky because we got reservation in a restaurant, so that's why we got basically a space near the hotel. So we got quite lucky. But if you come to this town, you should definitely come around like 9 AM or before 9 AM. So yeah, the last day in Italy.
Okay.
Okay, guess this is where the vlog ends, I guess. Ciao. Say ciao.
Ciao.